Students, what is given over here? Express vector AC bar. So triangle ABC. So what we observe in triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, we observe that this AB bar is a vector from A to B. AC bar is a vector from A to C. And CB bar is a vector from C to B. So I want to ask a question to Pushpak. Pushpak, will you tell me in this triangle which two sides are having same sense of direction? Will you tell me?
Sir, AC bar and CB bar.
Good. So AC bar and CB bar in the same sense of direction, while AB bar is in opposite sense. So we will say AC and CB will follow the clockwise movement, okay, and AB bar, it looks like a anti-clockwise movement. So according to triangle law of vector addition, what is vector addition states that the sum of two vector having same sense of direction. So AC bar and CB bar having same sense of direction, same state of vibration, while AB bar is in opposite sense of direction. This is what triangle law of vector addition. So what is given? What is the question? Question is what? We have to express AC bar. So we have to keep AC bar in the right hand side, shift CB bar here. So plus will come here, become what? Minus. So finally, what is the answer? Answer of AC bar, expression of AC bar is what? AB bar minus CB bar. So this is what your final answer. Everyone understood? Say yes or no. Any doubts regarding this particular first question? Say yes or no. Hope so everyone understood. Okay, let us do the next question. So all of you concentrate from the following figure. Determine the resultant. What you observe? Let me ask the Rodrix. Rodrix, are you there? Okay. So Rodrix, will you tell me in this polygon? This is what polygon. Okay, having sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which four sides are in same state of vibration? OA, AB, BC, CD. Am I right? And OD is in the opposite sense of direction. So we can write directly OD bar equals to OA bar plus AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar. But so students are asking, sir, we don't study polygon law of vector addition. Will you use triangle law of vector addition to find out this particular vector, resultant vector? The students, let me tell you, along OA bar, there is a A1 bar. Along AB bar, there is what? A2 bar. Along BC bar, there is what? A3 bar. Along CD bar, there is what? A4 bar. And along OD bar, I will consider what? There is what? A5. Okay, A5 bar. Okay, so now we will take the help of triangle law of vector addition to find out the resultant vector. That is what? OD bar. Okay, so all of you concentrate. What I will do in the first step, I will join OB. Okay, so what is the first step? Join OB. Okay, so in triangle OAB, Anushka, will you tell me which two vectors are in the same sense and which vector is in up?
OA and AB.
Very good. In triangle OAB, we observe that OA bar plus AB bar is equals to what? OB bar. Reason we will have to write the reason is what? Triangle law of vector addition. Okay, triangle law of vector addition. So, Tazin, what is OA bar? Along OA bar, which vector is there, beta? Along OA bar, which vector is there? Will you tell me? In the diagram, which vector is there? A1 bar. And along AB bar, which vector is there? A2 bar. So we got OB bar equal to what? A1 bar plus A2 bar. Say number 1. Okay. Now we will go further. Harish, are you there? Now I am going to join OC bar. Okay, I'm going to join OC. So join OC. So in triangle OBC, Harish, will you tell me which two vectors are in same sense?
OB and BC.
Yes. So in triangle OBC, we observe that OB and BC are in the same sense. So OB bar plus BC bar is equals to what? A vector which is in opposite sense. So here we will write the same reason we have to apply triangle law of vector addition. Okay. Along OB bar, which vector is there? OB bar ka value. What is the value of OB bar?
Don't know.
From 1. A1 bar plus A2 bar. So from 1, we can write A1 bar plus A2 bar. And what is BC bar? Along BC bar, which is what is the vector? A3 bar. Here you have to write from 1. So we got a value of OC bar. Understood? So say this is number 2. Okay. Now the third triangle is already formed over here. The triangle name is what? OCD. OCD. Okay. So now will you tell me Riya Ajay? Riya Ajay, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in triangle OCD, which two vectors are in the same sense?
OC and CD.
Yes. So OC bar plus CD bar is equals to what? The vector which is in opposite sense, that is OD bar. Reason is what? Triangle law of vector addition. Okay. Along what is OC bar? Value of OC bar from 2. A1 bar plus A2 bar plus A3 bar. And what is along CD? Along CD, it is what? A4 bar. And what is along OD? Is what? A5 bar. So we got a value of resultant vector is the addition of 4 vectors, that is what? A1 bar plus A2 bar plus A3 bar plus A4 bar. Okay. Directly you can write according to polygon law of vector addition. But suppose they ask determine the resultant vector of 4 vectors. And if this question carry 2 marks, so don't write directly. Okay, you have to follow the triangle law of vector addition. Hope so everyone understood. Say yes or no.